Thiko ya kanana kuma riria cira wa kuregana na moimirira ma giturwa kia upresident wahandirwo igoti-ini itogeru, acirithania mugwanja igoti riri ni matabanirie giikaro kia mbere niguo kuheana mitaratara ya uria cira uyu uguthikiririo. Giikaro giki ni gicurire mbica ya uhotekeku wa nditimurano hiu iria yaya kwiyumiria gatagati ka mawakiri a miena ngurani kwambiriria rucio. Amu maundu matiganite ni meyumiririe na umwe wamo ni Ndereti ya kana makamicina oothe a IEBC mabatii kurugamirirwo ni wakiri umwe kana mabatii guthii nambere na mawakiri ngurani.
We rely on a resolution by 4 of the 7 commissioners. We have stated in our pleadings that we are legitimately representing the commission.
IEBC was properly represented by its advocates on this table. However, the 4 individual commissioners who are now cited as respondents but who are supporting the petition will continue to enjoy the very distinguished services of my senior learned friend, the Honorable Paul Mwita.
Kamishina a IEBC makoretwo mahukanite kuma muthenya wa kwanirirwo kwa moimirira ana ao aria ni Juliana Cherera, Irene Masiti, Francis Waderi na Justus Nyang'aya makionekana kwaga kunyita mbaru uhotani wa William Ruto, guku atatu ao aria ni muikariri giti wa Fula Chebukati, Boya Molu na Professor Abdi Gulie makirugama na ati Ruto niwe wahotanire na mithingi neyo miahu ino yeri methire mawakiri ngurani no oothe makiuga marugamirire IEBC igoti-ini.
It is not the work of the commissioners of IEBC, whether in majority or in minority, to procure any services. That flies totally in the face of the procurement law in this country. As we sit here now, the 4 who purport to have procured have committed a criminal offense.
Our colleagues have filed the pleadings on the basis of instructions, I believe, by the CEO, who we say the CEO implements instructions from the Commission. The Commission is a corporate entity. In the absence of consensus, decisions are by majority.
Hamwe na uguo mawakiri aria marugamirire President muthure William Ruto na munini wake Rigathi wa Gachagua ni monanirie kwaga kuiganira na ihinda riria riheanitwo ni igoti ria gutetera uhotani wa Ruto, makiuga ati mwena wa thitango uri na macira mugwanja na mawakiri matanyihire 16 aria magwitikirio kwaria igoti-ini kuringithania na mawakiri ana a mwena wa Ruto.
But surely it will be very difficult for me, and I say this in all fairness, to be able to master a defense against all the 18 lawyers when all we have is a team of 4.
And all these people are attacking the integrity of our technology, the capacity of our personnel. We would ask for just 1 more hour.
Ndeto igiria igucanirio ni mawakiri a miena ngurani ni igia mwao gucererwo kuneana maratathi matiganite kuri igoti kana kuri ang'etheri ao, mawakiri magitetera na kuuga ati mitambo ya igoti iri irahuthikaga kwandikithia maratathi maya ni irari na thina wa gwikururia.
What the 4 commissioners have done is to file a fresh presidential petition outside the constitutional timelines.
The time allocation has been very fair.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.